Hey, what's up everybody? Guess what I'm making today? I am making spaghetti. That's right. Not only am I making spaghetti, I am using my Instant Pot. That's right. If you don't have an Instant Pot, you're missing out on some easy methods of cooking meals fast. And I was, when I first heard about the Instant Pot, I was like, everybody, it's just another fad. But I've learned my lesson. Instant Pot has taught me a lesson, and I am now a fan of the Instant Pot. All right, so today I'm making spaghetti for dinner. It takes less than an hour to cook, so it's an easy cooking method. And don't worry if you did not already thaw out your hamburger or your turkey, depending on what type of meat that you use for it. No problem at all, because guess what? The Instant Pot will thaw it out for you. That's right, so I already have some bags of hamburger, and yes, we pre-measure our hamburger because we get it in bulk. So we like, as soon as we get home, we like to break it up and put it in Ziploc bags like this, so that way, depending on the size of the meal that we're going to cook, we can adjust the portions that way. So excuse me. So with the Instant Pot and frozen beef, all you have to do is put it in your Instant Pot on pressure cook. It's about 22 minutes for a pound. And if you're using like 2 pounds, 2 to 3 pounds, then you put your Instant Pot on high pressure cook for 27 minutes. So real easy. So what we're gonna do is, since this is frozen, we're gonna put it in the Instant Pot for about 27 minutes, all right? So it can cook up. But if you have your Instant Pot, make sure you put your meat on top of one of these, all right? Put your meat on top of this, so that way your hamburger does not stick to the bottom and you start to smell something burning, all right? So that's what you do when you have frozen meat. If you don't have frozen meat, then you just follow the instructions by cooking up your meat first and then going through the steps of adding the sauce and then the pasta. All right, so the ingredients for this meal are, because I was about to go on a ramble, I was about to keep talking and talking. Excuse me, I'm just getting over a cold. All right, so you're gonna need a pack of spaghetti. All right, so you're gonna need, this is a 16-ounce pack, so you're gonna need a pack of spaghetti. You're gonna need 2 cans of spaghetti sauce, and this is 24 ounces. So you're gonna need 2 24-ounce cans of spaghetti sauce. This is the tomato and basil, and this is the garlic and onion. You're gonna need 2 cans of tomato sauce, and these are, let's see, 2 8-ounce cans, so that's 16 ounces of tomato sauce. And you're gonna need some garlic. I already have my pre-peeled garlic cloves, 3 of them. All right, and so you're gonna also need some salt and pepper to taste. That's totally up to you, so you add it as you want to. If you don't have garlic cloves, then just use some garlic powder, all right? Now, I am a big fan of kitchen products, all right? So, I have a product that I'm gonna use today. This is my first time using it, and I'm so excited. It's called the Kitchen Mama Can Opener. That's right, it's this baby right here. And it is electric can opener that uses batteries. Now, prior to this, I used this big heavy baby right here. Yep. You guys know what an electric can opener looks like, right? Yep. Has the cord, pulls out, plug it into the wall. But at times it can be a hassle, because depending on what part of the kitchen I'm cooking in, if I have all my ingredients on one side, then I have to walk across the kitchen because I'm lazy sometimes, and I have to use the big electric can opener. So I'm going to use this baby right here today. Now, I've never used it before, but I have heard it's a great product. So let's see how great it is. And then if you like it, hey, it's something you can go out and buy. All right. So it's called the Yes You Can. Your way into hassle-free kitchen. All right. Uses magnets to clamp tightly, automatically turns 360 degrees, incredibly easy to use, one-touch operation. And the problem it solves, Solve all your can opening problems with just the push of a button. With Kitchen Mama, yes you can. Yes, yes, yes. All right, so let's see how this baby looks. Comes in a nice box. Okay. And that's how it looks. Let's see, how do I get it out of there? Okay. Easy peasy, I think. There we go. Kaboom! Alright, so that's how it looks. It's pretty neat looking. Kind of has like a space age type look. You guys see that? It's pretty cool. And it looks like this can be used to open up bigger cans too. Take the top off or the lid, and it takes 4 batteries. Let's see. So it takes 4 AA batteries. All right, so let me put the batteries in. All right. And my daughter likes to help me cook a lot, so if this is something that's easy to use, then she definitely will be able to be my new can opener person in the kitchen. Pretty awesome. I'm excited to try this. All right, so we put that in like that. All right, there we go. From what I understand, you just pop it on there. It comes with a little container like that, or a little card set. It has information in it. Oh, okay. This is what it has in it. Pretty cool. All right, and it also has the use and care manual, and it has the instructions, parts, how to use it, 3 easy steps. All right, so for what it says put the can opener on top of the can, making sure the blade and metal gear is between the edge. Okay. And then push the button and let it rotate around. This is pretty cool. So I'm excited to see how this works. My daughter has been waiting on these can of olives. She's behind the camera. So she's been waiting for these olives to be opened up because she loves olives. All right, so let's take a look and see how good this baby works. Hey Mel, tilt the camera down. I'll tell you when to stop. All right, right there. Nope, tilt it back up just a little bit. Slow, 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 up just a tiny bit more. All right, awesome. There you go.
It's tiny, that thing's tiny.
All right, so it says just sit it. This part right here, it says sit this part right here between the can and the lid. So we're gonna sit it. Oh, okay. So it's sitting there. Oh, wow. Alright, that looks like that should be it. And then it's finished. Let's see. Wow. Look at that, y'all. The edges are not sharp, so you don't have to worry about the little ones or yourself cutting yourself on it. Pretty good. Alright, Mel, here you go. Be careful, don't spill anything.
Okay.
Alright, now, tilt the camera back up for me, please. Okay, that'll work. I think that's it. Yeah, all right, so we have that. So since I have these cans, guess what, guys? I will be using this Kitchen Mama can opener. All right, so there you go. Kitchen Mama, yes you can. This is the larger one. They do have smaller ones, so go to their website. The links will be down below. The links will be down below, or they'll be pinned in the comment section, so that way you can just click on the link and it'll take you directly to their product. All right, so hey, so you guys ready to cook? Cook this fast meal of delicious spaghetti. All right, here we go. Now, let me walk you back through the steps. We're gonna cook the hamburger first. All right, we're gonna cook the hamburger first. Then we're gonna put in, after the hamburger's cooked, we're gonna drain if there's any grease. This is pretty lean hamburger, so it shouldn't have too much fat or grease on top of it. So we're gonna drain it. Then we're gonna add the tomato sauce, and we're gonna add the spaghetti sauce. And then we're gonna put the seasonings in, whatever seasonings you wanna add to it. And then we're gonna we're gonna add 4 cups of water on top of the sauces. All right, so we're gonna add the 4 cups of water. Then we're gonna put the pasta in. We're gonna make sure the pasta is covered. So if you gotta push the pasta down, then that's what you do. You push the pasta down so it's covered. Then you put the lid on, lock it, make sure that the vent part of the Instant Pot is closed. All right, so that way all the steam and pressure stays into the pot. The cooking time that you want to have your spaghetti in the Instant Pot is 8 minutes, okay? 8 minutes, that's 5 plus 3, 8 minutes. Make sure you have your Instant Pot set on high for 8 minutes. Okay, back to the video. 30 minutes, and then after that, we're gonna take a look and we're gonna take a taste and we're gonna see how good it came out. All right, so you guys ready to cook? I'm not gonna talk while we're doing the rest of this video, so just listen to some music and watch the video and then go and cook some of this good stuff. All right, so here we go, let's cook.